Multiple traits can be used in a class. The syntax is we separate them with a comma in a use statement. Now code example. Here we have two traits, chargeable and another trait. This is our base class toy and this is the subclass electric car toy that is extending toy class. Now in our use statement, we will write both of them separated by a comma. Now here we are creating an object of electric toy car class. And now our object can call methods of both traits. The naming conflict between traits. If a class is using two traits and both of them has the method with the same name, a fatal error is produced. This is called the naming conflict between traits. To resolve this naming conflict, instead of operator is used. And with instead of operator, we choose one of the conflicting methods. So the class will have only one method, not both of them. Now the syntax. Instead of is a part of use statement. Just add the curly bracket after use statement. This line tells PHP that, dear PHP, don't get confused. Use chargeable straight charge method instead of another traits charge method. What if we want to use both of conflicting methods? The else operator will allow us to include the other conflicting method by changing its name. Now this line tells the PHP that use another trait charge method as XYZ. Now see everything in action. These are our traits with same method name charge. Now in our use statement, remove this semicolon, add curly brackets and tell PHP that I want to use chargeable traits charge method instead of another straight charge method. And I also want to use another traits charge method, so change its name as XYZ. Changing the method visibility. Using the as operator, we can also change the visibility of trait method in the class that is using that trait. The visibility of this charge method is public in the trait. Now when using this trait in our class, we are changing the visibility of its method from public to private. As operator is used to change the visibility of the function. Now this charge method is private in our class and we cannot call it outside of the class. So now this line will generate a fatal error that we are calling a private method of a class. There is another option for changing the visibility of trait method in our class. Here in this use statement, we are telling PHP that use chargeable trait and change the visibility of its charge method as private in my class and also change its name to XYZ. Now this charge method will become the private XYZ method of my class.